Some of us have had negative experiences with the Bible. Maybe it was used to hurt or condemn us. It may have been presented in a dry, boring way that seemed irrelevant. Or maybe it seemed confusing or even intimidating to read. But what if I told you that it's possible to love reading this book? Because it can make you a more loving person. The truth is that the Bible is God's love letter to humanity, sharing a vision for a better world that we desperately need right now. With a few tips and a little practice, you can unlock the power of God's love in your life. Love to read the Bible so that you can read to love.